we have learnt about verbs and we know that words that denote an action are known as verbs. They are also known as doing words or action words. A verb is compulsory to make a meaningful sentence. Verbs that form the past tense and the past participle forms by adding d, ed or ied to the base verb are known as regular verbs. For example, we have added ed to the base verb whisper to form both the past tense and the past participle form whispered. In the case of agree, we have added d to get our past tense as well as the past participle form agreed. For our base verb identify, which ends with a y, we have added ied by removing y to get our past tense as well as the past participle form identified. For our base verb clap, we have doubled the last letter P and then added ed to form the past tense as well as the past participle forms clapped. Now, verbs that do not follow any rules to form their past tense and past participle forms are known as irregular verbs. Let us look at a few examples of irregular verbs that have all the forms different. So, our base verb forbid becomes forbade in the past tense form and forbidden in the past participle form. Swim becomes swam in the past tense form and swum in the past participle form. Choose becomes chose in the past tense form and chosen in the past participle form. Drive becomes drove and driven in the past tense form and past participle form respectively. Let us look at irregular verbs that remain the same in all forms. So, our base verb set remains set in the past tense form as well as the past participle form. Similarly, base verbs like quit, shed, burst remain the same in their past tense form as well as past participle form. Irregular verbs with two forms that are same. So, if we have the base verb flee, the past tense form is fled and the past participle form is also fled. So, we see that the past tense form is the same as the past participle form. The base verb fight takes the form fought in both the past tense as well as the past participle form. Catch becomes caught in both the past tense as well as past participle forms. Lose becomes lost in both the forms and bleed becomes bled in both the past tense as well as past participle forms. Let us look at a few more examples of irregular verbs with two forms that are same. So, the base verb come takes the past tense form came and the past participle form come. So, we see that the base verb and the past participle form is the same in this case. Similarly, run becomes ran in the past tense form but remains run in the past participle form. Now, let us do this exercise. Fill in the blank with the past tense form of the verb given in the brackets. The child dash used the toy gun to scare the people. What is the past tense form of the verb use? It is used. So, we have formed the past tense by adding d to the base verb use. Fill in the blank with the past participle form of the verb given in the brackets. The fuse was dash blow off in the storm. So what will be our past participle form of the verb blow? It will be the fuse was blown off in the storm. So today we have revised our concepts of regular verbs and irregular verbs, and we have also seen some examples regarding the same. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.